Hello friends, and welcome to Andina in Action. Today we had a fascinating episode about two people who changed the way we work and produce things, Henry Ford and Frederick Winslow Taylor. My name is Juan Bejarano. Today, Lina accompanies.
Hello, my name is Lina Cardenas. I am an industrial engineer and I'm excited to participate in this program. That's right, Juan. These two great minds revolutionized industry and laid the foundation for what we now call method engineering. Without them, modern manufacturing would not be the same.
And even though both contribute to industrial progress, they did it in very different ways. So today we are going to explore their stories and discuss their impact.
Okay, let's start with Henry Ford, a man who not only founded one of the most famous car brands in the world but also revolutionized mass production.
Exactly, Lina. And the funny thing is Ford never finished high school. At 16, he dropped out and moved to Detroit to work as a machine's apprentice.
That shows that sometimes formal education isn't everything. Passion and hands on learning can be just as important.
Over time, he worked for the Edison Illumination Company, where he became a chief engineer. While there, he started experimenting with combustion engines. In 1896, built his first automobile, the quadricycle.
Imagine that a car with bicycle wheels. But the real game changer came in 1913 when he introduced the moving assembly line.
Thanks to this system, a car that used to take over 12 hours to boil was now made in 90 minutes.
That's efficiency at its best. This made the Model T affordable, allowing more people to own a car.
And Ford didn't just innovate production, he also improved working conditions. He was one of the first to introduce the 8-hour workday and a minimum wage of $5 a day, which was a huge deal at the time.
Yes, because he understood that if his workers earned more, they could afford to buy the cars they built.
Ford was a genius businessman. For finish, Ford died in April 7 of 1947 at the 83 years old.
To continue now, let's talk about Frederick Winslow Taylor. He was born in 1856 and known as the father of scientific management.
Taylor had a completely different approach from Ford. His idea was to make work more efficient but analyze every movement that workers made.
Yes, he will ask, how long does this task take? Can we do it faster? And can we remove unnecessary steps?
Basically, he was the guy with the stopwatch, measuring every second of work.
Exactly. And that's how tailoring was born, a system that divides work into simple, repetitive tasks to increase productivity.
But it wasn't all good news. Many criticized Taylor for treating workers like machines.
In fact, the movie Modern Times by Charlie Chaplin is a satire of tailoring.
Wow, that is a great fun fact, Lina. I'll imagine to Chaplin say, imagine workers standing screen all day until they go crazy.
Literally, but even with criticisms, his methods are still used in many industries today. Another fun fact is that he competed in golf at the 1900 Olympic Games.
Wow, I don't have idea. Maybe he could be a great deportist in his life. Finally, Taylor died in 21 March of 1915 at 59 years old.
Whoa, he died too young.
Yes, Lena, you have the truth. But even though he died young, his contribution were by no means insignificant after being so heavily criticized for his treatment of the working class.
That's very true, Juan.
So, in conclusion, we have two different approaches: Ford with the assembly line and Taylor with the work optimization.
Which one had the biggest impact?
Lina, it's hard to say. Ford changed the industry with mass production, but Taylor gave a structure to work in a scientific way.
The truth is, both of them still influence how we work today.
Yes, it's a really good opinion. Is that is all for today? What do you think? Which of these two men had the greatest impact? Let's know in the comments or in the social media.
Don't forget to subscribe to Andina in Action and share this episode. See you next time.